Welcome to 5101 Palmetto Avenue in the beautiful White City area of Fort Pierce, Florida. I'm Juli Iles with Barron Real Estate. This property is conveniently located between I-95 to the west and US 1 to the east, while having a secluded neighborhood feel with mature mossy oak trees. Here we have the private wooden dock on the Saint Lucie River with ocean access. Just across the river is the White City Park with a convenient boat launch. Come listen to the birds and take in the natural beauty. We are just a 20-minute drive from the Fort Pierce beaches and a 10-minute drive to the Art and Cultural Center of downtown Fort Pierce and the Marina. Just down the road, we have the Petravice Family Preserve with hiking trail and kayak launch. We're also minutes away from the Nelson's Farmers Market, and just across the river is White City Park and boat launch. Come build your dream home and start making memories in this beautiful area of South Florida.